YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Alex the Barber, and in today's video I'm gonna be doing a self-cut tutorial. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I might do a mid-taper or a high taper, so let's get right into the video. For the self-cut tutorials, tools you're gonna need are the guards, comb and a brush, and your clippers. So let's get right into it. Alright y'all, starting off the cut, you gotta brush everything down. Make sure you lay down all the hairs. All right, with the clipper closed, you're gonna do a guideline right above your ear, or the end of the ear right here, up to right here. A little above the eyebrow, or like right to the arch of the eyebrow. All right, just like that. It's that easy. It took like 20 seconds.
And
So now, since you can't get super bald with the clipper, you guys can see the stubbles right there. We're gonna take the trimmer and we're just gonna cut the same spot with a flick out motion right when you get to the top, just to make it a little balder. Now you grab the shaver, same spot, flick out, make it bald. What I like to do when I get to the very top is I like to grab it or go on the line and just push down. I feel like when I do that, I blend out the line and make it easier to blend. Now you're gonna open up the lever and go up about 1/2 inch right here, about 1/2 inch. Gonna fade out that bottom line right here. You're gonna close the clipper and just flick it out. Now once you go higher on the fade, you open it halfway and flick out some more. I'm gonna grab the 2 guard closed. Can y'all see it? Hold on. Where's that 2? Right there, 2. With the 2 guard closed, I'm gonna go up high this time, because I'm gonna just clean up the area where I'm gonna use the 1 and the like in the half. So with the 1 guard closed, we're gonna go up about another 1/2 inch right here, right above the no guard open. Now to take out that line right here, you're gonna put on the 1/2 guard. You're gonna close it all the way and just open it a little. That line, you're just gonna flick out. Put the 1 guard back on and you just open it. And you go up about like 1/2 inch again, or even less, just to make it a little darker, make the transition a little darker. So we're gonna go up. All right, you see this dark spot right here? That's because I haven't used the 1.5 and the 2 closed. Well, I did use the 2 closed, but I haven't faded out the line right below that. So now, with the 1.5, or on your wall, on your Oster Fast Feeds, you use the 1 open equals the 1.5. You're gonna go right below the 2 and just flick out that dark line right there. Same clipper, just with the 1/2 guard. Close it. Just take out any dark spots that you see in the fade. Now with the 5 guard, the highest guard I'm gonna use on top, I'm gonna go with the grain down. Now I'm gonna just line it up and then we'll see how it looks. Now with my Motive Pro straight blade, I'm gonna line up my beard and I'm gonna just line this up a little bit. Alright y'all, so I just did this side. Let me know what y'all think. I'll be back with this side done, alright? Hold up. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, click that bell to get notified every time I post a new video, and comment. Let me know how I did on this side. YouTube, here's the cut. Let me know how I did. Leave a like, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, click that bell button to get notified every time I post a new video.